Hi, welcome to Maths Magic of Joya. Today I have came for live, but I think you do not get any informations, or for that reason not joined. I do not get so much response. That's why today I told about that I will teach you quadratic equations. So I am doing over here. Now I am giving you the video. Okay, so what do you mean by quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. That is a quadratic equation where x power is 2, not 1. If x power is 1, then it is called linear equation. Now, quadratic equation, how can I solve? Just I am giving one quadratic equation. So look, this is one quadratic equation, 2x square plus 4x minus 6. How can I solve it? So I can solve it like this way, 2x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0 by middle term factorization. So what will be the next term? 2x common. So x plus 3 and next minus 2 common, x plus 3 is equals to 0. That implies x plus 3 into 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so what will be then? Can you able to see? I think you have problem in watching because the light is falling on the board. So I am adjusting my camera. I think now you can able to see more nicely. So what will be then? Then either x equals to minus 3 or 2x minus 2 is equals to 0 or x equals to 1. So I get like this way we will learn to solve the quadratic equation. But if it is not possible like this way, then how can I solve it? If it is not possible like this way means if I take a quadratic equation 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So it is not possible 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. This is not possible by middle term factorization. Then how can I solve it? I will solve it by Sridharacharya's formula. What is Sridharacharya's formula? Sridharacharya was a mathematician. Say he had told us a formula ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If that is the equation, just like here a is 3, here b is 2 and here c is 1. Then what will be the result? So x will be minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what is that? B square minus 4ac by 2a. So this one Sridharacharya told us. So here a equals to 3, b is equals to 2 and c equals to 1. If the equations are like then what will be x? Minus 2 plus minus root over of 2 square minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 2 into 3. That means minus 2 plus minus root over of 4 minus 12 by 6. Okay, so that is minus 2 plus minus root over of 8 by 6. Now this is the root. So what will be the root? So x equals to minus 2 plus root over of minus 8 by 6 or minus 2 minus root over of minus 8 by 6. Within these two the root is there. So without solving I can get this. Now that is -1 and or how can I solve it, that one I will come with next video. But for that reason it is up to this. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more from me, then please follow my channel. You can see all types of video and you can tell me also which one you want. Then I can give that type of video. Thanks for watching.